Hello, good afternoon. Luke here at DG Weaver in Landau with another new to stock video walk around. Here today we have a 14 plate Ford Focus Zetec in deep impact blue. Just doing a video walk around just to demonstrate there's no major damage. We've got a couple of dings above the wheel arch here. Coming back down this passenger side. So this car is in deep impact blue and it is the 1 litre EcoBoost engine and the timing belt has been done. And then it has a full Ford service history, one owner. Come around the back here, just demonstrating obviously that we've got no major damage. No problems there on the rear end. Coming down this driver's side. Nothing to report there. Tiny little dent on the driver's door here, just on the crease line there. Back up onto this front end then. No problems there with the front bumper across the bonnet, just to make sure we haven't got a load of stone chips. So looking pretty good. Mirrors then, no problem with the mirror caps on the passenger side. Up onto the roof, just to make sure we haven't got any major dents and dings. Looking good. And then once we've come down and had a look at this wing mirror cap, we'll have a look at the windscreen. No problems there. And then across our windscreen, just to show we haven't got any major cracks and chips, but it's all looking good. So 17-inch alloy wheels starting on the rear driver's side, no curbing at all there. Front driver's side, nothing to report there either. No, nothing jumping out to me. Front passenger side, a little bit of curbing on this wheel, but doesn't look too bad. Just slightly there between sort of 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, and then some more at 6 o'clock. And then rear passenger side, this wheel looks all good. Coming inside the car now then, we'll start with the boot, just to make sure we haven't got any damage from bulky items sliding around. In all honesty, it looks like this boot hasn't ever been used. Across the top of the bumper, this is a watermark rather than scratches. It's looking good, no loading marks there at all. Inside the car now then, starting on the rear driver's side. Come in here, make sure there's no rips and holes in these seats. Again, these rear seats still look like they've been used. No problems there, nothing exciting. Rear passenger side. Again, looks like nobody sat in the seat. Front passenger side. Again, if I had to hazard a guess, I would say that this seat doesn't look like it's been sat in either. And then last but not least, our driver's seat, which obviously somebody must have sat in, but the same as the rest of the car, in really good condition. Inside the car now then, so controls for the lights by there. We've got front electric windows, and the mirrors then are electronically controlled by here. It's get fit windows in the rear. So roll-ups, for anyone who doesn't understand that terminology. Steering wheel is in fantastic condition. Left-hand side of the steering wheel controls the trip computer in front of us. Mileage on the car, 29,360 with no warning lights and absolutely loads of fuel. Right-hand side then is volume controls, voice controls, answer and hang up on the phone, because we have got a phone on this car. The infotainment system is displayed through this, it's sort of a black and white screen, but it's not quite black and white, but it's not coloured, that's for sure. We have got DAB radio, CD player, aux plug-in, which is down the bottom here, USB and aux and a USB, 12 volt down here as well. Phone can be connected in our menu. As we come down then, it's air conditioning, fan speed on the left, temperature in the middle, fan selectors on the right there. Best thing about a Ford, heated windscreen, blowers on the rear. We have got auto start stop, and it's a 6-speed manual gearbox, reverse being squeeze up, left and forward. And we've also got rear sensors and a manual handbrake. Let's have a look under the bonnet. There we go, and nothing technical here, just to demonstrate that it's clean and tidy and well presented, and has obviously been as well looked after as the rest of the car. Thank you very much.